Do you want to earn PayPal money just like this? $200, $300, and even $762. If you do, then you are in the right place. Today's method is free to do unlimitedly. You can repeat this over and over again as much as you want to, so you can make as much money as you possibly can. It's very simple, easy, and quick, just the way that you guys like it. You don't need any skills or prior experience, so don't worry about that at all. And the best part is, this method is completely free. You don't need to worry about that at all. You don't need to invest anything. You don't need to make any cash advancements. It's literally free. And all you need to do is follow all of the steps that we are going to be discussing with you today, since we are going to be walking you through today's whole process. We know that you will love this method because we love discovering it, and now we are able to share it with you. Now, this method is available worldwide too, so make sure that you try this out and let us know how it goes for you. We have a bonus tip to share you with at the end of the video, something that you will need for this method, and we're going to give it to you for free. So if you don't want to miss that, then make sure that you stay until the very end. The steps are easy, but they are specific, so make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. We want you to start this process on your default browser and then go ahead and type in Capterra.com. This is what you should see next. As you can see here, Capterra helps you find the right software for your business. Find software, compare options, and read reviews. Capterra is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform. You can get the facts, read real opinions, and this website is 100% free to use. You can read more about this on the website itself. They have all the information that you'll need, so make sure that you read through the whole page and explore a little bit to get to know them a little bit more. Anyway, we just want to let you know before going any further that if you decide to skip or decide to click off this video and just go straight to the website, you're not going to accomplish anything. The sign-up process for today's method is pretty tricky, and we're the only ones who can tell you what and how to process everything, so if you leave now, then you won't be able to earn your $700. Another thing is that we have a secret bonus trick to make things 10 times easier for you. So just make sure you stick around for that so that you can start making your PayPal money, and we will all be happy. Although this method is worldwide available, some of you may go through some technical difficulties, so make sure that you let us know in the comments down below if you do, and leave your country along with it too, because we'd love to know where our subscribers are from. Now let's get back into the video. Basically, this method for today is just going to ask us to write reviews on certain softwares, so they'll literally just pay you for your most honest opinion. That's really it. If you scroll to the lowest part of the page, you'll see that they have a ton of software categories that you can browse through, and these are the softwares that you can write reviews on. So you can write reviews on accounting and finance, hospitality and travel, agricultural and animal, HR and talent, and many, many more that you can literally just choose from. Note that this is nothing complicated at all. All you need is basic English knowledge, or maybe Google Translate if you don't have any English skills, and make a very simple, honest review, and that's literally all that you will need to do. Also, like we mentioned earlier, we have a trick that we're going to be showing you so that it will be like basically doing nothing but still getting the PayPal money that we promised you. Now on the web page, we want you to look at the top part and click on Write a Review. As soon as you click on that, you'll be brought here where you can literally search on any product at all that you would like to review on. Now the nice part about this is also that you can choose what to write about, therefore making more sense in your review since it's something you are familiar with or something that you actually want to write about. Our suggestion though is to write about on PowerPoint. So go ahead and type the keyword PowerPoint in and then hit enter on that. Now as soon as you click on search, this is what should pop out. And what we want you to focus on is Microsoft PowerPoint. So go ahead and click on that. And once you do click on that, you will be redirected to this page right here, wherein you can right away just write a review. It's that easy. Now, if we haven't mentioned it yet, you can actually do this method on your phone too. So if you don't have a laptop or a computer, but you have a phone, then you can do this on your phone. And now we're curious, what type of phone do you own? Or what devices do you have? Are you an Android user or an iOS user? Leave us a comment down below because believe it or not, we enjoy reading your comments and interacting with you guys from time to time. Anyway, going back, if you click on Write a Review, you can officially start the process. You will be redirected to this page wherein you fill up the details needed to be able to sign up. So we have first name, last name, email address, job title, which we want you to type in freelancer because this is important, because if you don't have a job title, they won't accept your application and you won't be able to earn the $700 PayPal money. Your org name, and on that we want you to type in self-employed and that's it. Industry, you can put any industry or field that you're in right now. Otherwise, just choose computer software because you're basically going to be writing a review for software. Company size, just put myself, and how long you've used Microsoft PowerPoint, just so they can determine how familiar you are about the software. But we want you to choose 6 to 12 months, just so it guarantees that you will get accepted and get paid. In what capacity do you use Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure that you choose both. How frequently you use Microsoft PowerPoint and your role in using the software. Now we want you to choose weekly on how often you use Microsoft PowerPoint, and then I am a user, and that's what you're going to choose for your role, and make sure that these are the choices that you choose. Now these choices are very important because they obviously have standards or expectations, and in order to be accepted, just make sure that you follow the choices that we gave you. Then once that is complete, click on next, and the next part is that they want you to rate the software as a user, and as much as possible just rate out of 5 if the services are a 5 for you, of course, but that's just what we suggest. In this case, we just put all 5. Even though it says optional, we still highly suggest that you rate it because they will count that. Also, if you need to rate it like this one, just put it still out of 5 and then rate it as high. It's just a few clicks and will literally take nothing, so make sure that you do that. Pricing, just rate it to mid-tier, and how likely would you recommend it, and then just click number 9 or number 10 because to us, it is a great software and we love it. And we would definitely recommend it to our friends, and then click on next once you've completed step 2. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now the third and last step is the most important of it all, is to literally form or create your review. You're gonna make a title, what you like most about the software, the cons, what did you least like about the software, describe your overall experience with Microsoft PowerPoint, did you switch from another product? So we have to answer all of that, and remember the bonus tip that we said we were going to share, it's us literally going to give you what you are going to answer. This is a script that is all ready and made for you. You can copy and paste this onto the review and literally get accepted. Just pause this video and try to copy this entire template because this is literally all you need to get accepted. Another strategy is going back to this page and scrolling down to the part where there are other people leaving their reviews, and you can easily just copy paste them, but not word for word. Try changing it up too for some originality, and that's literally it. Once you've copied and pasted it all into their respective boxes, or you've typed it into their respective boxes, you can go ahead and click submit and you're all set. All you need to do now is wait for further reviews that they will send you, and this time, those reviews are paid. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.